Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking your MacBook Air and Mac OS version because location of controls varies. Once done, make sure the keyboard is visible and ambient light is normal so automatic sensors behave predictably. Now open System Settings from the Apple menu. On older Mac OS, it's System Preferences. You're doing this to reach keyboard backlight controls. Immediate access saves time and avoids confusion later when options are in slightly different places across versions. You navigate to Keyboard Settings next. In System Settings, it may be under Keyboard, or in older Mac OS under Hardware Keyboard. Once there, disable any automatic keyboard brightness so the Mac won't turn lights back on based on ambient light. Then reduce brightness with the on-screen slider or the dedicated keys, often F5 to dim and F6 to brighten, pressing F5 repeatedly until the backlight is off. This step ensures manual control and explains why the automatic option must be off. You finish by testing. Close and reopen the lid or restart to confirm the keyboard stays off. If it comes back on, make sure automatic brightness is definitely disabled and that an external light source isn't triggering the sensor. As a troubleshooting tip, if toggling settings doesn't help, reset the SMC or PRAM on Intel Macs or ensure Mac OS is up to date, because firmware and power management can re-enable the backlight. Contacting Apple support is the last step if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.